Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I have a very special package from our great friends over at Realme Philippines, which you can find in this amazing looking nice red box. So we will be opening it, checking it out, and I am announcing a raffle, a giveaway for a brand new Realme smartphone because you guys hit the 1,000 likes challenge of our previous video. So keep on watching. Masaya to. Tara, let's go. Tech vlog. Okay, so before we get started, ito nga pala si Real Meow, ang mascot ng Realme. Anyway, before we get started, guys, please do give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And comment down below what you think of the Realme products that I'm about to show you guys today. So tara, buksan na natin ang mahiwagang box. O, diba? So this is the special package, which is actually their latest accessories from their smartwatch and their wireless earphones. So tara, tingnan natin sila. Okay, so as you guys can see, there are 3 items in this package. We have the Realme Watch 2 Pro, we have the Realme Motion Activated Nightlight, and we have the new Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo. Ay natin yung smartwatch because we are watch geeks after all. Parang alam mong Realme basta yellow box no? Parang signature na nila yung color. Pag ganyan, be it their smartphones, their accessories, ito lang yung naiiba at white Pero everything else, bright yellow. So before anything else, you might be thinking, Carlo, mahal na naman yan kasi smartwatch. The good thing about this particular smartwatch from Realme is that this usually SRP, the usual selling price, is 4,490. But if you buy it on July 7 via their Lazada or Shopee shops, you can actually get 1,000 pesos off, limited time offer. You get to buy it for just 3,490 pesos. Panalo! Okay, so as you guys can see, we've already paired it with our smartphone. Nandiyan din si Realme, ang cute naman. So, but anyway, what's so nice about this watch? Number one, you do have that bigger LCD display, so it's easier to see the time or whatever it is that you're doing with your phone. You have 90 fitness modes that you can pick from your sport activities. You even have like a heart rate sensor, SpO2, sleep, workout, step counter, everything and anything that you would need in a day-to-day smartwatch, and even including Find My Phone, you can find on this device. So, diba, sobrang panalo for the price point. Also, this watch has a 2-week battery life and built-in GPS. It also has Realme Tech Life Control. So, if you have IoT devices from Realme, you can easily control it, such as this motion sensor nightlight. Okay, guys, so remember, the Realme Watch 2 Pro drops July 7. That's tomorrow. You get the chance to buy it for 1,000 pesos off 3,490 pesos. Really feature-packed, nice-looking, everyday smartwatch for everyone. Now, before we move on to the next item, I want to drop the mechanics already for our giveaway for the Realme smartphone, the 5G smartphone that I unboxed recently. So, very simple mechanics. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then just comment down below what you think of any of the Realme products that I've shown or that I'm showing today, be it the watch, the sensor, or even the earphones. Or if you want to talk about the phone, you can talk about that as well. Make sure to comment down below, include your IG handle. You have to follow me on Instagram as well. And I will be drawing the winner in 2 weeks. So whatever that date is, I will list it down below as well in the description box as well as the comment section. So good luck, guys. 2 weeks. Pag-giveaway, Realme 8 5G smartphone para sa inyo. Isasama ko na rin tong smartwatch na to. So kung sino man manalo, meron ka ng smartphone na 5G, meron ka pang smartwatch. O diba, panalo. By the way, if you still want the smartwatch but you can't afford the Realme Watch 2 Pro, you can opt to get the Realme Watch 2. That one usually sells for just 2,990, but tomorrow in the limited offer, you can buy it for 1,990 pesos. So mas mura siya. It doesn't have the same amount of features, but it's definitely more affordable and within reach. So just get the one that fits your budget. And as promised, we have one more item to unbox, which I'm thinking of including also in our giveaway. And kitang-kita nyo naman, it is wireless earphones that you guys might want to get if you're looking for something na talagang for sports or active activities. So this one has a base boost driver. It has 17 hours of battery life, magnetic instant connection. I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. And it is water resistant and low latency for gaming. So tara, buksan natin. Okay, so mukhang hindi ko na siya mapapag-giveaway dahil nasira ko yung box. So, thanks. Yan na siya. So this is the magnetic part. So the earbuds actually connect to one another very seamlessly. Tapos you have this wire at the back para pag sinuot mo siya, swak na swak, hindi siya maalis. So that's how it looks like. Just put it to the back of your ear. Tapos yun na yun. Now, the Realme Wireless Buds 2 Neo sells for, let me just double check, 1,490 pesos. But in tomorrow's sale, you can get it at 500 pesos off, so you can get it for 990. Sulit na yun. Lastly, we have this, which is their Realme Motion Activated Night Light. So ito, pwede mo ito ilagay sa mga cabinet. You can put it in your bathroom. Kasi what happens is, if it detects motion, it basically lights up. It's very straightforward, very simple. This one usually sells for 590 pesos, but you can get it at 200 pesos off for tomorrow's sale. So that's the best deal that you can get for this motion sensor nightlight. So yeah, guys, those are the gadgets that I wanted to unbox from the special package from our good friends over at Realme Philippines. Make sure that you join the giveaway because it's not often anymore that we do giveaways. But for today, you can be blessed with a smartphone. I'll throw in the smartwatch, and heck, I'll even throw in the nightlight just for the heck of it. Unfortunately, I cannot give you the earphones anymore because I literally just ripped the box. Boom. Okay, and with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up and show Realme Philippines some love for sending this package over, allowing me to do this giveaway for all of you by making sure to follow them as well on Instagram and on Facebook. Realme Philippines, the #1 smartphone brand right now here in the Philippines. So with that said, guys, this is Carlo signing out. As usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Ganda. Boom.